Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create new Gmail account on Android phone. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Add another account. Choose Google from the options. Tap Create Account. Select for my personal use. Enter your first name and last name. Select your date of birth and gender. Choose your preferred new Gmail username. Create a strong password, using letters, numbers, and symbol. Complete the phone number verification process. Tap Next. Scroll down and tap I agree. Once the account is created, tap Take Me to Gmail. To switch between accounts, tap the profile icon and select your new Gmail account. Your new Gmail account has been successfully added to your phone. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.